Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some cottage style home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Cottage style home decor is a warm, inviting and nostalgic design aesthetic that celebrates comfort, simplicity and the charm of everyday life. It's often described as cozy, lived-in, and timelessly romantic. A style that feels as through generations have loved and added to it over the years. Let's break it down beautifully and clearly. The essence of cottage style. Cottage decor evokes the feeling of an old countryside home, full of light, softness, and handmade beauty. It's not about perfection, it's about personality. Imperfections, patina, and sense of history are part of the charm. Think of it as a homeware. The furniture looks collected rather than both all at once. Sunlight filters through shade curtains. There's always a vase of wildflowers on the table. You feel at peace the moment you step inside. Key features: colors, soft, neutral, and charming. Whites, creams, pastels, muted blues, faded greens, and gentle floral hues. Materials: wood often painted or distressed, linen, cotton, wicker, rattan, stone, and edged metals. Furniture: vintage or antique inspired pieces with carved lines, painted finishes, or gentle wear. Patterns: floral prints, gingham, stripes, and small checks, often mixed in an effortless way. Lighting: soft and warm, table lamps, candeliers, and candlelight for an inviting glow. Accessories: handmade crafts, pottery, floral engagements, books, baskets, lace, and heirloom items. The feeling it creates. Cottage style is all about comfort and nostalgia, the emotional warmth of home. It feels like a peaceful Sunday morning. The scent of lavender or freshly baked bread. The sound of birds and open windows. It's deeply emotional and grounded, blending nature, memory, and simplicity into a lifestyle. Substyles of cottage decor. There are several variations, each with its own flavor. English cottage: floral fabrics, antique wood, garden-inspired colors. French country cottage: elegance mixed with rustic textures, soft neutrals, and refined vintage details. Coastal cottage: airy whites, blues, and natural textures like jute and driftwood. Vintage or sub-boutique cottage: distressed furniture, lace, faded florals, and romantic charm. I think these ideas will help you. Thank Thank you so much for watching this video.